Happy Sunday, everybody. Today we are diving into another gift set from Ulta. This is the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty. Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty. It's a gift set that has 12 different fun things from Ulta, and it retails at $18. Let's read about it on the app. Ulta's 12 Days of Beauty is the perfect gift for yourself or any beauty enthusiast. Inside each box is a beauty surprise featuring trendy and unique formulas designed to inspire your creativity, and it is a $74 value. So, before we get into this, please make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This is a full month series for the month of December called Season of Wonder, and I hope that you guys have been enjoying my videos so far the past week. We have gone through a lot of different things, and if you want to see another gift set, I also reviewed the NYX Sugar Trip gift set last week, and I will link the video up in the cards and down below for you to go see. So let's get into this Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty gift set. Here's what it looks like. All right, let's go into one. Let's see what this is. All right. This is a brow pencil. Who doesn't need a brow pencil? I mean, come on. There we go. All right, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That was a very big box for a little baby pencil. All right, now we're going to go into number 2. All right, let's do this thing. Another pencil. Let's see, is this eyeliner? Eyeliner! Hey, everyone needs eyeliner. You know, I'm not knocking it. And honestly, truly and honestly, the Ulta Beauty brand is very good. It's very nice dark black. Yes. Again, very big box for a very little eyeliner. That's all right. All right, so let's go to number 3. This is a bigger box. Let's see what this is. Let's see. 3. Looks like a piece of pie. Can you tell I'm hungry? All right. Another big box for very little. This is the Chubby Eye Crayon. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, it's very nice. It's kind of like a gold, like a deep gold. This is useful. I like this. Let's go to number 4. Let's see. 4. Let's see, is it another crayon? It's not. It is Gel Bounce eyeshadow. In color. Doesn't say color. It's alright. It's alright. It's very pretty. I like it. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Ulta's not playing around. No, they're not. Oh my goodness. That is very, very pretty. And that's not a bruise. That's the crayons. Leftovers. Wow, I like that. That is a very, very good eyeshadow. Next. Going to number 5. Let's see. Come on. All right, number 5. Another eyeshadow. Let's see. Shimmer blush. Oh, it's a blush. It is very shimmery. Let's see. Wow. Okay. That could also be used as a highlight or an eyeshadow. pretty. Kind of matches my shirt. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling on the river. Go down. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is so not easy to get out. Okay. Oh, there we go. 6. Is it another eyeshadow? Is it another eyeshadow? No. What is this? Ooh, it's a cream eyeshadow. But it looks gold. Like a very gold shimmer. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. This is nice. Yes, I love glitter eyeshadows, man. They're the best. Next is number 7. Definitely thought the 9 was a 6. 7. 7. Let's see what this gift is. Ooh. It is a matte lipstick. And a very pretty color. That matches my shirt too. Huh. I'm very matchy today. Can't help it. That is a very pretty color. Oh my goodness. I love that. All right, all right, all right, all right. Number 8. 8 is great. 8 is great. What are you? Oh, highlighting drops. That sounds like fun. I don't even know if you can see that. It's so bright. All right, let's see, let's see, let's see. So it has this little dropper tool. Oh, don't tip it over, Alyssa. Oh. Oh, shiny. Shiny. Ooh, that is very pretty. And I actually, believe it or not, I don't have any highlighting drops. It's my first one. It's very pretty. And this is a really pretty highlighting shade, so I'm excited to use that. Yes. Get it, Ulta. Yes. Number 9 that I thought was a 6. That looks like a 6. It does, but it's 9. What are you? Come on. Oh, a loose highlighter to go with your highlighting drops. Fancy. You shouldn't have, Ulta. You shouldn't have. Look what this looks like. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, can you imagine how bright that would be over that highlighter drop? Yeah, that would be insane. Nice. Ulta's coming through. These are some actually really good products. So, I'm excited. I'm excited. All right. 10. 10. What are you? What are you? Oh. It's a lipstick. Oh, it's a very pretty lipstick. Oh, it's like a lip gloss. It's very shiny. It's like a nude. Kind of matches what I'm wearing right now. That's nice. I've never tried the Ulta lipstick lip gloss before. It's kind of weird that none of these things have names on them. But it's okay. Still love you, Ulta. Still love you. All right. Number 11. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. What is this? A glitter lip topper. Huh. Who knew? Who knew Ulta had such things? That's so cool. And it's like a bronzy, burnt metal metallic shade thing. Oh, and it's got some pigment to it. You don't even have to put this on anything. Ooh. That's a very, very cool shade. Yeah, I wouldn't even put this on top of anything. I'm sure you could, like a dark lipstick or a liquid lip, and then put this on top. That would be nice. That'd be very, very pretty. All right. Last one. Let's see if I can get this out. Last one. Number 12. I'm very interested to see what this is because it's in like a 1, 2, 3, 4, a hexagon shape. Yes, I know my shapes. Oh, well, isn't that just disappointing? I guess it's not disappointing. Whoa. It's a glitter eye top coat. But hey, you can never have too much eyeshadow. And I don't know if I own a silver style eyeshadow. I'm sure I do somewhere. But now I got this one. This is actually a pretty decent sized pan. Whoa. Look at that. It's like a strobe light. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Okay. I'm not disappointed anymore. That's cool, Ulta. That is cool. All right. So that was the Ulta Beauty's 12 Days of Beauty gift set. Again, this is $18. It is sold at Ulta and online. And this was pretty cool. And you know what? It has I don't even know if you can see that. It has a list of, so shiny. It has a list of different things on the back of what is inside in case you want to look at it yourself. Now this wasn't quite as fun as the NYX one I did last week, but for $18, if you are just getting into makeup or you don't know quite what to get somebody but you don't want to spend $40 to $50 on another thing like the NYX one, this is a very good idea to get someone for Christmas if they are starting to get interested in makeup, or you just want to get them something makeup related and you only want to spend about 20 bucks. Is where it's at. It's upside down. This is where it's at. I would definitely recommend this. If someone gave this to me, I would be so excited. Truly, I would be excited if someone gave this to me for Christmas. Because even though I do have a lot of makeup, you know, you can always use more, you know, and having different things. Like I don't have the loose highlighting drops. I don't have like a loose highlighter, and I definitely don't have a silver glitter highlighter like the last one. I'm gonna use that. But this was such a cool gift set. Great job, Ulta. Not sponsored, but this is a great gift for you to get someone beauty-wise, makeup-wise from Ulta Beauty. Again, $18. Not bad at all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming and looking at the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty. That's a mouthful. Gift set. And again, subscribe to my channel, like this video, go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Again, this is a full month of the Season of Wonder series, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. Bye.